And ladies and gentlemen, here is the field for tonight's 8th race. Here is number 1, Old Town Brittany, owned by David Stevens, Brian Pinsky, and the Old Town Farm, barn that is. Brian Pinsky trains and drives. Number 2 is Tiburon Jill, owned by William Arnold Ralston. William Arnold Ralston trains Dean Magee, the driver. Number 3 is Penny Red, owned by Lucille and Wayne Weaver. Wayne Weaver trains, Daryl Bussey drives. Number 4 is Sweet Carrie, owned by the Matthias Standardbreds and Bob Coulter. Richard Schrock drives and trains. Number 5 is TV Gossip, owned by Benita Simmons and Carl Lacey. Tom Simmons trains, Dave Maxwell, the driver. Number 6 is Sign of Rain, owned by Jackie Boutenshane and Jim Crowley. John Boutenshane trains and Dave McGee, the driver. Number 7 is Tambourine Hanover, leased by Margaret and Dan Epp. Dan Epp trains, Laverne Hostether drives. And number 8 is Holly's Ink Spot, owned by Dana Chiblena and Connell Willis. Connell Willis drives and trains. 5 minutes to post, just 5 minutes. Gato's running. Top of the turn. Here they come. They're off. Sign of Rain on the outside, hustling out for the lead, and further out, Holly's Ink Spot is there, Penny Rad. Now they drive into that first turn, and 4 horses are in a battle for the lead as Penny Rad shoots between horses, now taking command. Sign of Rain, now third, now moving second, and Sign of Rain is up to challenge and take command. Penny Rad holds on the inside second, Holly's Ink Spot charging into third, followed by Old Town Brittany, right with the leaders in fourth. 2 lengths back to Tiburon Jill. 28-3 now for that early quarter. And up front, Sign of Rain is your leader of light, Penny Rad. Right there in second. On the outside, it's Holly's Ink Spot. First over into third, followed by Old Town Brittany. Now saving ground. Now moving to the outside. Tiburon Jill is following cover. Tucked in, that's TV Gossip. To the outside of horses, here comes Sweet Carrie, followed now by Tiburon Hanover. Halfway home, 58-1. Now they move into the clubhouse turn, and up front it's still Sign of Rain in command of the field, down by length and 3/4. Penny Rad right there in second by 2. Old Town Brittany has range on the leaders in third. TV Gossip nowhere to go between horses. That's Holly's Ink Spot. Tiburon Jill now coming on, and Tiburon Jill making her move as they drive by 3/4. 3/4 on the board. 129-1. Sign of Rain into the far turn, a length and a quarter. Penny Rad is running her heels in second, followed by Old Town Brittany. Here they come now, turning for home. Sign of Rain cuts the corner. Here comes Penny Rad charging. Down the stretch they come. Sign of Rain, Penny Rad. It's Sign of Rain with Penny Rad. It's Sign of Rain with the lead. Sign of Rain at the bar. Number 6, Sign of Rain, the winner. A photo for a second. Please hold all tickets. Number 3, Penny Red, was second. Number 1, Old Town Brittany, finished third. Number 5, TV Gossip, was fourth. Results are official. Mark the mile, 158, 3/5. Moving to the winner's circle, a real nice looking filly. Number 6, Sign of Rain. Sign of Rain is owned by Jackie Boutenshane and Jim Crowley. John Boutenshane trains. The winning driver is Dave Magee. That is a driving double for Dave Magee. Eighth race rundown, top bottom, 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, 1, 7, 8 on the bottom.